Okay, so how we make espresso? This is the bottom part of the espresso. We put water in here, and there's a line inside. You can't really see it, but anyway, it's there. Then you get the filter. You put the filter in. Then you get the espresso. And you put the espresso in. You put a few. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, a little bit. That's it. 6. It's a 6-cupper, right? You put that back in the freezer. Okay, you don't have to sit. Then you get the top part. You get the top part of the espresso maker. And you screw it in, right? Okay, you put it on the stove, and you don't want to put your heat too high, because it's gonna burn it. You just gotta put it and make it nice and brew. See, the heat goes up like that, and it brews nice and slow. So what happens is that boils the water inside, it pushes through the filter with the coffee, comes up here, comes back down, and there you go. And that's how you make the espresso on the home cafeteria. That's what it's called, the cafeteria. Okay, to make espresso Italian style. All right. There's other secrets and tricks that I can show you later on to get the nice crema and everything like that, but that's another day. So this is your lesson on how to make espresso at home. The end.